Okay, we got Mr. Dewey, JJ Dewey here at Gallagher, San Diego branch, working the great new 2018 Basic Coatings Dirt Dragon. He's got experience because he's an old pro from the old Dirt Dragon days. So this is a whole different type of deal right now. He gravitated to a BMW, Mercedes, Rolls-Royce model with this puppy. Beautiful. As you can see what we've been doing so far here, cleaning. Look at the difference on that the floor. It's like night and day. That is just amazing. And when you see the contaminants and the dirt and the grunge, the stuff we're pulling off this floor, it's an eye-opener. When you look at this, we've taken this floor, and it's just basically it's a brand new floor now. Turn this into a brand new vinyl floor. Fantastic. Job, JD. Now JD's gonna run it right down over here. I mean, look, think how many showroom dealers would love to have one of these just at their showroom to keep their showroom floors clean, and then take it out to the job sites to do recoats, dustless recoats with the finish, with the tight coat. There we go. I'll help you on that. The best dust-free system of its kind. 2018 Basic Coatings Dirt Dragon. Good job, JJ.